Hello, and welcome to this Renesas Synergy training presentation. I'm Warren Miller, one of the Renesas Synergy support team members. In this short video, I'll help you to select the right Synergy kit for your next design. Let's get started. The Synergy Platform is a breakthrough approach for accelerating your time to market. It provides a unique combination of software, MCUs, tools, kits, and support resources that work together as a complete platform to speed your development cycle. Synergy kits are a compelling element of the Synergy Platform. They provide the hands-on experience that most designers desire to learn about and to begin designing with, the Synergy software platform. These kits provide a perfect hardware platform on which you can accelerate your next design. In this presentation, you'll learn about the different types of kits, how they can satisfy your particular requirements, and how you can easily purchase the kits you need. There are three types of kits available today. The starter kit has all the capabilities you need to explore the software and device features of the Synergy platform. Its low price point and high value make it a perfect entry vehicle for discovering how the Synergy platform can accelerate your next design. The development kit is a great starting point for design. These kits have a variety of communication interfaces, displays, and onboard memory as a baseline for your design. And several standard expansion ports are included to make it easy to add custom capabilities. Our product example is a complete design in a form factor that's appropriate for an end application. Product examples come with a complete bill of materials, schematics, layout files, and even a design journey document that describes why specific choices and trade-offs were made during the design. Data sheets for each of the components in the kit are even included to save you the time of searching for them yourself. An important note, a product example isn't really a kit, since it's a complete design, not just a starting point like a typical kit. But for the purposes of this presentation, I've included them as a kit. And when we get to the documentation section of the presentation, pay close attention to the way product examples are organized on the Synergy website so you can find them. Okay, now that we know something about the most common use for each type of kit, let's look at some of the details so you can better match your specific needs to a particular kit. By comparing the display and memory features of the currently available kits, you can zero in on the ones that best fit your user interface requirements. For example, the PE HMI kit has the largest touchscreen display, but smaller displays are available too. Synergy devices provide a significant amount of on-chip memory, but if your application requires more, you can select from a variety of onboard memory footprints. Communication interfaces are probably a key element in your target design, and these kits offer a wide range of capabilities, with USB and Bluetooth available on each kit. Notice that the DK-S7G2 supports 2 Ethernet connections, so that's your best choice if dual Ethernet connectivity is a must-have. CAN and UART interfaces are available on each kit, while I2C and SPI are both available via industry-standard PMOD connectors. A variety of other interfaces are available too, and include an Arduino interface, a range of audio and video capabilities, and the previously mentioned PMOD interfaces. Notice that the DK-S3A7 includes several sensor interfaces, so if your target requires a range of sensors, the DK-S3A7 might be the best fit for your design. The DK-S7G2 has a camera interface, so if video processing is a requirement, it might be a good choice. Look over all these comparisons carefully when you're looking to select the best kit for your application. Once you're ready to dive into the details, there's a wealth of documentation on each kit, along with a mix of demonstration designs that can help fine-tune your kit selection. These 4 kits are just the first ones available for the Synergy platform, and more are on their way. In fact, our newest kit, the DK-S124, will be available very soon. This kit hosts the Synergy S124 MCU and provides access to a Bluetooth Low Energy 4.0 interface, a USB full-speed device connection, CAN, SPI, I2C, 1 megabyte of SPI flash, audio input and output, cap touch buttons and slider, LEDs, and mechanical buttons and switches. Make sure you visit the Synergy platform homepage often to stay up to date on the availability of all new Synergy kits and product examples. Let's take a quick tour so you know how to find each of these important kit resources. We'll start from the Renesas homepage and then jump to the Synergy page. Introductory information for each kit is available by clicking on the Tools and Kits link. And then the Synergy Kits anchor, where you'll find descriptions of development kits, starter kits, and promotion kits. The link to the Explorer website provides additional kit overview information in an easy-to-use interactive format. Back at the top of the page, you can select the Documentation tab for a list of kit documents. This list includes data shorts, info papers, application notes, quick start guides, and user's manuals. The Downloads tab takes you to the complete list of application examples. These include advanced NetX, USBX, and GUIX designs for web servers, USB mass storage devices, and even DNS. Each example has an associated Getting Started application note that describes how to create and build the project and download it to your kit. By clicking on the Software and Tools tab, you can find detailed descriptions and documentation on each development kit and starter kit. The product links take you to a product page that provides a comprehensive list of all kit-related material, a handy link to bookmark for your particular kit. The Product Overview tab includes a product overview and ordering information. The Documentation tab provides quick links to the Quick Start guides and user manuals. The Application Notes and Sample Code tab provides a comprehensive list of these kit-specific resources. You can even search by tool, middleware, and function, or by application. The Downloads tab shows all the kit-specific downloadable sample projects and their associated quick start guides. Finally, the Board Design tab is where all the kit-related design data is found and includes schematics, a 3D model of the board, schematic and layout project files, manufacturing files, and a bill of materials. At this point, you might be wondering where to find the information on product examples. Product examples are located in the Solutions tab and are shown at the top of the page. They include the PE-HMI product example we saw in the kit comparisons. Just as with Synergy kits, product example data shorts, quick start guides, and user's manuals are available in the Documentation tab. Kit-specific download project examples are available in the Downloads tab. The Software and Tools tab takes you to the link for the comprehensive product page, the one you want to bookmark if you're working with that particular product example. Once you've selected the right kit, you'll want to get one. You can purchase any of these kits from your favorite distributor. Just enter the kit name, SK-S7G2 for example, in the distributor search window, and you can find price and availability information. Just place your order with DigiKey, Arrow, Avnet, or Future, and you can begin discovering for yourself the compelling advantages the Synergy platform provides. Hopefully, this video has helped you better understand the different types of Synergy kits and product examples, and how to determine which is best for your particular needs. You can explore the detailed documentation available and easily order a kit from a Renesas distributor partner.